for intermediate public examination. This type of question. Gauss-Jordan method. Many students are very suffering from this method, Gauss-Jordan method. Many students are told, sir, this method is very tough. Sir, how can do this Gauss-Jordan method? Easy method. Now I am discussing very easy method in Gauss-Jordan method. Okay. Now starting. First, three equations are given. 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z equal to 13, 5x minus 2y plus 7z equal to 20. First write down. These are system of equations are given in this question. Solution. Here first capital A equal to matrix type. Matrix. X, Y constant write down. 3, 4, 5. Z quotient. X, Y, Z quotient. Here second equation 2. X quotient here 2. Y quotient here minus 1. Z quotient here 8. Okay. Next. X quotient Y third equation. Y quotient minus 2. Z quotient here 7. Okay. A. This is A matrix. Next, here how many variables are there? X, Y, Z. 3 variables are there. Capital X write down. Capital X equal to small x, small y, small z. This is capital X. Okay, now this is how many variables are there? X, Y, Z. Here in this question 3 variables are there. Next, capital D write down. Capital D equal to what? Here constant 18, 13, 20. 18, 13, 20. Very lengthy question. This is 18, 13, 20. Now A value, X value, D value. 1 marks this. Now augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. It can denoted by AD. Square bracket AD. AD equal to what? AD equal to A matrix, D matrix write down. A matrix here 3, 4, 5, here A. D equal to what? 18. Next 2 minus 1, 8, 13. Next 5 minus 2, 7, 20. This is AD. Augmented matrix. Now by performing only elementary row operation, this augmented Gauss-Jordan method performing only elementary row operation, only row operation possibility. Column operation not exist. Don't do the column operation. We will do only row operation. And we transform this augmented matrix transform to which identity matrix. How is it formed? This augmented matrix can be converted to this one. Identity 1, 0, 0, alpha, 0, 1, 0, beta, 0, 0, 1, gamma. We want alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma. This augmented matrix can be converted into transforming to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. First. Okay, this is answer. Alpha, beta, gamma. We want alpha, beta, gamma. That is X, Y, Z. Now, transforming. How can do? This augmented matrix convert into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. First step. Total here. Observe here very clear. This augmented matrix. First, this is first element. Second element, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. 9 numbers are there. First step, this is step 1. Step 1. Step 1. 3 convert into 1. Next, this 2 convert into step 2. Step 2. Now, this is step 3. Step 3. This is step 4. Step 4. Now this is step 5. Step 5. Now Step 6. Now step 7. Step 7. Now this is step 8. Step 8. This is step 9. Step 9. How many steps are there in step 1? First convert into 1. Next step 2 convert to 0. Step 3 convert to 0. Next step 4 not in the middle term. Step 4. This is 1. Middle term. Step 4 1. And step 5, step 6, 7, 8, 9. This is order. Now convert into this augmented matrix, transforming to this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, 7, 8, 9. Easy method. This is. Now step 1 write down here. Now we can do step 1. Step 1. What is this? Now 3 can be converted into 1. Here operation what? Row operation only possibility. 3 converted to 1. Here by using R2 or R3. R1 can be changed. R1 can be changed to 1 by using R2 R1 minus R2 write down. R1 minus R2. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Means here 3 minus 2 equal to what? 1. These 3 converted to 1. R1 minus R2. Now we are write down. 3 minus 2. 1. 4 minus of minus 1. 5. 5 minus 8. Minus 3. 18 minus 13. 5. R1 changes. Now remaining as it is write down. R2, R3. Okay. R2, R3. This is step 2. Step 1. Now step 2. Step 2 what? Step 2. This is. Now convert to 0. This number convert to 0. By using R2 changes. Now 0. R2 changes by using R1 or R3. Only row operation possibility. R2 tends to R2 equal to what? Here 2. R1 equal to what? 1. Now changes to 0. R2 tends to here 2. 2 minus of 2 R1 right now. Here 2 R2 equal to here 2 minus 2 into R1 equal to what? Here 1. 2 into 1. 2. 2 minus 2 what? 0. 0 will become. Next procedure. R2. R1 as it is write down. Okay. R2. R2 changes to 2 minus 2. R2 here 2 minus 2 into R1. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 1 minus 2 into 5. 2 into 5 10. Minus 1 minus 2 into 5. Minus 11. Here 8. 8 minus into minus plus. 8 plus 2 3 just 6. 8 plus 6 14. Next 13. 13 minus 2 5 are 10. 13 minus 10 3. That is R2. R2 changes. 5 as it is write down. 7 20. This is step 2 completed. Now step 4. Here write down. Step 4. Step 3. Step 2 completed. Now step 3. Step 3 what? 0. This number convert into 0. Step 3. What? Here step 3. R3 changes. R3 changes to 0. By using R1 or R2. R1 or R2. Now I am using R1. R3 tends to R3 minus 5. R1. Observe here. R3 equal to here 5. 5 minus 5 into 1. What? 5 minus 5? 0. Now start. R1 as it is 1, 5, minus 3, 5 as it is. R2 as it is 0, minus 11, 14, 3 as it is. Now R3 changes. R3 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 2, minus into minus, minus 2, minus 5 into 5 25 minus 2 minus 25 minus 27. Next again 7 7 minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15 7 plus 15 22. Next 20 here 20 minus 5 5s are 25 20 minus 25 here minus 5. That is step 3. Step 3. Now step 3. Step completed. Step 4. Step 4. 1 completed, 1 convert 0 0. Now step 4 what here? Convert to 1. This number will be converted to 1. Minus 11 convert to 1. How can? Easy. Here minus 11 minus 11 2 5 into minus 11 what? 5 into minus 11 5 into minus 11 that is R2 5 into R2 minus 27 into 2 what? 27 into 2 54. Here minus plus 2 into R3. Here minus that equal to R3 changes to R2 changes minus into minus plus 5 into 11 55 plus 2 into minus 27 2 into minus 27 what? Minus 54 equal to how much? 1 changes. Write down. R1 as it is 1 5 minus 3 5. Next R2 0 minus 0 0 here minus 11 minus 50 plus 55 minus 54 1 14 5s are 70 minus 70 next plus 2 into 22 44 plus 44 how much? 70 minus 44 10 minus 4 6 minus 4 26 minus 26 here minus 26. Next 3 here 3 5 into 3 minus 15 plus 2 into minus 2 into 5 minus 10 how much? Minus 25 here minus 25. Next same as it is 0 minus 27 22 here minus 5. This is step 4. Now convert. Step 4 completed. Got it 1. Now step 5. Step 5 what? Convert to 0. Here 5 is there. This number convert to 0. R1 changes to, here observe here, R1, this is R1. R1 changes to R1 minus using, now R1 changes by using R2 or R3. Which one use? Very less number, one is there. Now I am using R5 R2. R1 changes to 0. Now I am using R2 or R3. Anyone use, but better R2 use. 5 into R2. 5 into R2. 5 ones are 5. R1. 5 minus 5 0. Now convert. 1 minus 0 1. 5 minus 1 into 5. 5 minus 5 0. Next minus 3. Here minus 3. Minus into minus plus 26 into 5 130 equal to what? 127. Here 127 right now. Okay. Next here 5 plus 5 minus 5 into 5. Here 5 into 5 into 25 here. 5 into 25 125 minus into minus plus 125, that is 130. Understood? Here 5 minus into minus plus 5 into 25 125 125 plus 130 here 130 right. Remaining as it is 0 1 minus 26 minus 25 0 minus 27 22 minus 5. This is step 5. Now step 6 here right. Step 5. Step 6. Step 6. What? Step 6 what? Now convert to 0 again. Step 6. Now this convert to 0. Okay. Now R2 or R3. Convert any convert to. Only by using R2 or R3 or R3 or R2. Now step 6 R2 R3 convert to. Oh, R3 convert to. Here minus 27. We want 0. Here multiply 27. 27 minus 27 what? 0. R3 plus 27 R2. Minus 27 plus 27. 0. Now 1 0 127 130 as it is. Now second 0 1 minus 26 minus 25 as it is. Here 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 27 plus 27 here also 0. Here 22 plus minus 27 into 26 minus 680. Next again here minus 5 minus 27 into 25. This one also minus 680. Minus 680. Step 6. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Now step 7. Step 7. Step 7. Step 7 what? Step 7 equal to here 1. Convert to 1. This augmented matrix convert to here 1. Minus 680 plus we want 1. Here observe here step 7 very important. Any last step 7 here last one. This convert to 1. Here also same number. Both the multiples of same numbers. Here 0 0 here minus 680 will become. Suppose here minus 4. Suppose minus 4. Here minus 4 multiples what? Minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16 will become. Suppose here minus 2 will become. Suppose minus 2. Here also minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 6, minus 8. Suppose 10 will become. Suppose 10. Here 2 is 20, 30, 40 will become. Only 10 multiples of this number. Yes. Step 6 very important. This number compulsory. Here also multiples of same numbers will become. Understood? Very very important. It is not operation. Only divisible operation, only possibility. This number converted to 1. Not adding R2 R3, not subtracting R2 R3, not possibility. Only possible for divisible rule only. That is step 3. R3 divided by. Here which number is there? Minus 60. Minus 680. Understood? Here number, this number always multiples of numbers. Here minus 680, here minus 680. Suppose minus 2 will become, here minus 2 is there. Suppose minus 2 multiples, minus 2, minus 4, that type of numbers will be framed. Here R3. Step 7. Always divisible rule possibility. Not addition, not subtraction, but not using R2, R1. Only divisible rule exists. R3, here which number is there? Minus 680. Now using R3 divided by minus 680. Now 1, 0, 127, 130, 0, 1, minus 26, minus 25, here 0, 0. R3, minus 680 by minus 680, 1. minus 680 by minus 680, 1 will become. Next step, step 8. Step 8. Okay. Step 8, R2 tends to R2 plus 26 R3. Here first row as it is write down. Second row, here 0 minus 26, 0 plus 26 0. 1 plus 26, 1 plus 0 into 26 1. Minus 26 plus 26 0. Here minus 25 plus 26 equal to 1. Remaining third as it is write down. Now we want step 9. Step 9. Step 9 what? Convert to 0. Observe here, this 127 converted to 0. R1 changes. We want R1 changes. Now R1 changes by using R2 or R3. Suppose we want R2, R3 changes only using R2. Now we want R2 changes, R3 only using. Now we want R3 changes, R2 using only. Now we want R1 changes by using R2 or R3, any one. Which one is possible here? Here 0, here 1. 1 into 127, here 127 minus 127 will be 0. Now R1 changes, R1 changes. R1 what? 127 minus 127 R3. 127 R3. Now write down. First to the 1 minus 127, 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 127 minus 127, 0. 130 minus 127, 3. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This augmented matrix transformed to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here